Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's solve question number 6 of exercise 9B intermediate level mathematics grade 6. The question states that there is a pie chart which shows the distribution of students and teachers in a school, and then on your right side you can see the blue portion depicts male students and the degree is given as 240 degree, whereas the orange portion shows the female students and the pink one shows the teachers. And what do we need to do? Well, it states that if there are 5 times as many female students as teachers in the school, we have to find the angle of the sector that represents the number of teachers in the school. So if there are 5 times more as many female students as teacher, we have to find the angle of this sector, the one represented by the pink color. And if there are in total 45 teachers in the school, the teachers have been represented by the pink color. Find the number of female students in the school. We have to find the number of these female students, the one in orange, and we have to find the number of male students in the school, which is represented by the blue color and the 240 degree. And if the 2/3 teachers are women, we have to express the number of female in the schools as the percentage of the total school population. So 2/3 teachers are women, so these would become the female, and we'll add the number of female students to get the total number of females, and then we will divide it with the total school population, which we will inshallah calculate. So going forward, solution. Part A, since the male students are represented in pie graph by 240 degree, therefore, and also the complete circle is 360 degree. So if we subtract 240 degree, which is the male students, from the complete circle, that is complete pie chart, that is 360 degree, we get 120 degree. And what is 120 degree? It is a sum of teachers plus female students. So we can write teachers plus female students is 120 degree. And since there are 5 times as many female students as teacher, therefore we can write that if teachers are x, then female teachers would become 5x. So x plus 5x, this would be how many degrees? It would be 120 degrees. So x plus 5x makes 120 degrees, or we can say that 6x is equal to 120 degrees, or x is equal to 20 degrees. And what was x? X was teachers. So now we have the teacher is 20 degrees, and since teachers is 20 degree, the female students, which are 5x, or so we can say that if x is 20, then 5x is 100 degrees. So going over to part B, we have to find that if there are teachers in there, if there are 45 teachers in the school, we have to find the number of female students. So teachers in the school is 45. The female students would be 5 times multiplied by those teachers. So 5 multiplied by 45 is 225. And similarly, finding the number of male students, we know that teachers are now being depicted by 20 degrees and male students are 240 degrees. This means that male students are 12 times the amount of teachers in this school, since 20 multiplied by 12 is 240. So if the total teachers are 45 and male students are 12 times 45, so it gives an answer of 540. We can also use another way of doing about it. Since 20 degree, we know that there are 45 teachers. This means that 20 represents 45 teachers. So 1 degree would represent 45 divided by 20, and 240 would then present 45 divided by 20 into 240, which is also 540. So this was just another way of calculating the male students. And if we add 45 plus 225 plus 540, we get the total population, that is 810. So now we can find the part C. And in part C, we have to find then if there are 2/3 teachers, if the 2/3 of the teachers are women, we have to express the number of females in school as a percentage of the total school population. So 2/3 teachers are women means 2/3 of the 45 total teachers which are held. So 2/3 of 45 makes 30 female teachers. And since we know that the female students were 225 and there are 30 female teachers, adding them all up, we get 255 females. So in total we have 255 females. But we have to express these number of females in school as a percentage of total school population. What was the total school population? We just calculated, it was 810. So finding out the percentage, dividing 255 by the total, which is 810, and multiply by 100, we get the answer, which is 27.7%, and that is your answer.